Hey guys, it's Brittany and today I have a makeup review for you guys. So I was contacted by the makeup company Jcat Beauty and they wanted me to feature some of their makeup products on my channel, and so they sent me this cute little bag full of lipstick and eyeshadow. Now I had never heard of Jcat Beauty until about 2 weeks ago. I was on YouTube and I saw one YouTuber, she was doing some lip swatches for the LIPTITUDE lipsticks that they have. And then I saw Fab for Less, I saw T and K, they were doing some lip swatches, so I thought that was really cool. And now I'm going to do some lip swatches and show you what the eyeshadows look like. And before I get into everything, y'all, if you are one of my subscribers from my wig videos, this is the BS202 in orangey red color that I reviewed 4 months ago. And this is like my third time wearing it, and I'm wearing it today, and I freaking love this wig. This color is everything. That's just a little side note. Like, I'm so hype about this hair. Anyway, back to the review. They sent me 4 of the LIPTITUDE 24/7 hydrating lip stain lip glosses. And this is what it looks like. It comes in this cute little container, and you get 0.42 ounces, which is 12 grams of product. You get that much in here. So I'm gonna swatch some of these on my hand and on my lips for you guys. I just have 4 colors and they run for $5.99, so if you like them, I'll put them in the description box for you guys so you can go check them out. Okay guys, so this is what this first color looks like. Was just one layer of color. This is not the kind of lipstick you want to put like a couple layers on, because it's super pigmented and then it's gonna look kind of crazy. So I do like this color, but I feel like it's probably a little bit too loud for my skin tone. I'll kind of tone it down a little bit with some brown liner, so I'm going to see what that looks like, if it looks better. You're my I think it looks better with some brown liner added to it. It doesn't look so, you know, clownish.
HYDRATING Productions.
I've gotten so used to liquid to matte lipsticks. I'm kind of like, I feel kind of weird about like glossy lipsticks. But these are very pigmented. So if you are interested in buying these, you gotta know that these aren't matte lipsticks at all. They are very glossy. And you don't need to put on more than one layer, in my opinion, because it's really pigmented and it's just gonna look like super glossy. But it just kind of depends on the look you're going for. It's getting on my teeth a lot too, so that's kind of a con to me. My favorite colors were probably Ad S and Swaaag. I think they were probably my favorites. This one's nice too, but I just like my super dark colors. I like them to be matte, so yeah. They also sent me some eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what they look like. Okay, so the first eyeshadow they sent me was this one, and it comes this cute little container. And this is in 107 Grape Gelato, and this is a triple crown baked eyeshadow. So these all look very pigmented, so that's nice. Oh no! Okay, the next palette is the Crème Brulee palette, and I love neutral tones for eyeshadow, so I really like the colors in here. But the bad thing is mine is broken, so that sucks. But I know there's a way that you can fix that. I think it's with alcohol, so I'll probably try to do that. And that's what they all three look like, and they're very pigmented. And I don't know how much the eyeshadows cost, but I'll put that on the screen. Okay, and the last eyeshadow that they sent to me was Greentea Frapp. And I really like these names, they're really cute. And that's what they all look like together. So overall, I think these products are pretty cool. If you're interested in these products, I'll put them in the description box for you. I want to thank Jcat Beauty for sending me these products. Thank you so much. And I want to thank all my subscribers for supporting my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.